So I know people tend to cringe at the idea of networking. It feels very surface level, very transactional, very inauthentic. A couple things you can do to combat those feelings. One is to double down on the relationships that you already have developed. In doing this for as long as I've had, I think the number one mistake people make when it comes to networking is they feel like they have to go out there and meet a whole bunch of new strangers in a very quick manner. And they kind of ignore the people that they already know. And they say to me, well, Colby, I don't know anybody in that industry. I don't know anybody with the job that I want. Your goal in networking is to start to develop genuine relationships. And you can do that a heck of a lot easier if you're getting warm introductions from people that you already know. So instead of trying to go to a networking event and doling out your business card like, a blackjack table, try to leverage your existing social capital to see who you may want to talk to, who can you get an introduction from, because that's going to give you a head start in developing a meaningful relationship with that person, that then you can ask for more information, you can ask for more introductions to other people, or maybe even ask for a job opportunity.